Welcome for watching this video of how to subscribe YouTube channel. You may want to subscribe the channel on YouTube if you think the channel is good. But how to subscribe the channels on YouTube? Step-by-step procedures will be discussed in this video and it is hoped that it can be helpful for the subscription of channels on YouTube. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video from this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. The first step is logging in YouTube. It is because that you may need to be identified by your login account which person would like to subscribe the channel. The second step is the clicking of the subscribe button. When you are watching the video, you may aware that there is a subscribe button below the video being watched. You can click the subscribe button for the subscription of the channel. You can click again that button if you would like to unsubscribe the channel. The third step is related to the notification button. It is in the form of bell and each bell has different meanings. The black bell means all the new video of the channel will be notified. The white bell means personalized notification will be sent upon the new video of the channel. The none bell means no notification will be made. By default, when you click the subscribe button, the personalized notification will be made. If you would like to notify for all new video of the channel, you may need to click the black bell. Excellent. This video may be helpful in subscribe channel on YouTube. Thank you very much for your watching of this how to subscribe YouTube channel. In this channel, you can also watch the other related videos such as the how to upload videos on YouTube and the how to create YouTube cards, new upload in this channel. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video from this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. Hope that you can find this video helpful.